Hi guys, good afternoon. Date is Wednesday, March. It's sorry why I'm saying March. I have no idea. It's May 10th, Wednesday, 12 12 p.m. in New York. I don't know why I'm saying every time March. I have no idea. All right, guys, let's get to it. Uh, Trading is risky. Please consult your financial advisor or a broker, whoever you take your advice from. This video is made for education purposes. I'm not a financial advisor or a broker. Uh, any type of trading is risky. Stocks, options, crypto, bond, very risky. Please make sure that you have a risk tolerance, and please always do your own research regarding trading. So let's get into it, guys. The Tesla is looking good to me. Tesla is looking good to me, guys. I would like to buy Tesla at this moment in time. Let's check. Like to buy Tesla, no doubt. I'm going to buy Tesla right now. I bought this 0 TD options so far, and I'm buying Tesla right now. I bought already 105. I saw a very good the setup right over here, but I did not hit the recording button, so I did not buy it. But no doubt, yes, I should have bought it. Alright guys, that's a little bit low volatility. Just to let you guys know, volume is a little bit low, and yesterday I was not able to trade because of the same reason. Volatility is low. That means it's not good because the options is still losing value. You see, it came up, but I'm still losing. So that's another thing. I don't like it when the volatility is low. Sorry, excuse me. The words are not coming out from my mouth properly. But thank God I'm feeling a little bit good. Day before yesterday, I was like not feeling so good. Uh, yes. Again, uh, I'm holding 105 calls in Tesla. Holding 105 calls in Tesla. I don't like this. See, I bought it right over here, but the option is still losing money. I'm supposed to be in green, but I'm in red. So this is what the volatility means. If there's a low volume, you will going to lose money because that's how what happens. Also, even your stock doesn't move, your option goes down in value. So this is another key level which you guys have to understand. People whoever are losing money, this is the reason you lose money, because the volatility is low and you're holding some options in your portfolio. You will go to lose. I'm going to buy more, guys. Buy more. So yeah, that's what happens most of the time. You will go to lose. And this is a perfect example why you lose. That I have seen people, they know every single thing about the stock market. No doubt about it. They know every single thing about the stock market, but they cannot make money. Like I said, like the chef who cooks the chicken, not kitchen, sorry, the chicken, and he's not eating that chicken, so that means that's some problem. So there are like a lot of people, I can tell you this, a lot of people who knows everything about the stock market, everything about the options, everything about the futures, but they cannot make money. It is one of you, then you have to watch my videos, because guess what, I was on that level also. There are some secrets. Okay, there are some secrets on the market, no doubt, which no one is talking about it. They don't want you to talk about it on the YouTube also, because those big boys, they're going to change that. That's what I have figured it out. The big boys will go and change those things. Okay, so I cannot talk about something on the YouTube also, because they will go and change their pattern. I can tell you one more thing. This big banks, big boys, all them, they have one pattern, and they follow that pattern. Okay, like I'm going to give you an example. If you have a favorite cup in your house which you drink water every single day, you have a favorite chair in your house which you sit and watch the TV every single day, you sleep one side of the bed which you love it every day. So something like that, these people also have the same type of a pattern. Okay, they use that pattern, and all the banks, they follow that pattern too. So it's not an accident that I'm making money. I follow their pattern. You understand? So that's what it is. So you need to follow the same thing. So certain things I cannot talk about this on the internet, because they I don't want somebody to change that pattern, and then it becomes a difficult for everyone to make money. So when you come to me to study and all, I do explain those things, and those things are going to make them money. It's not like by accident I'm making this money. Those are the things, and then I watch how to spot the buyers and sellers. I teach you guys all those things in detail, you know so just to let you guys know, trading is risky. Nobody makes money. Only 3% to 2% people makes money, especially on the option market. Crazy, bro. Trust me, crazy, crazy. Tesla is not even moving. You see this, guys? That's what I'm talking about. This is what exactly I'm talking about. Low volatility doesn't help. God, I feel like I should move out of this at this point. Low volatility doesn't help. Guys, low volatility doesn't help at all. I'm holding 250 call option of Tesla, guys. So this is another reason. Yesterday I did not trade also because of that reason, because they are filling up some type of orders. That's what I can tell you, in order to move the market up or down. So this is a very very good case study for you. If you are losing money, you should not trade days like this, until unless you are a professional trader, then you can trade. Otherwise you should not trade. You should not trade. Hey, God. So yes, again, guys, that's what I can say, and this is what I have studied. This is what I have learned. This is one of the puzzles. I put it together, why other people were making money and all those things. There are so many puzzles I have put the things together. I bought a lot of courses too on the internet. Don't get me wrong, I probably spent more than you guys. Seriously, I probably more than you guys, whatever you guys think about it. Seriously, I've been investing in myself for a long period of time. I've been buying courses since like 2007. Okay, 2007, when the housing thing got crushed back in those days. So again, guys, that's what it was. I was been taking courses, but all those courses were not nice, because these people were like selling you the course, and later on they make you to buy another course. You understand? That's like their scale of making money. And this is what I also say. There are people who are writing the course, but there are a lot of things, like they are writing the course, but they are not they're not doing it. They're just telling you. They are just very good speakers. That's what I can say. But they are not doing it. They make money out of selling you that course. But I show you how I'm doing the trading right over here. Right, guys? I hope you guys understand what I mean. There are a lot of people who are doing this, but they are not. They're not. They're not doing it practically. When you come to me, we are doing everything practically, guys. That's what it is. That is what it is. So, God, came down a little bit. This can be a bearish move at this point. I want to see how this things. Yes, it is coming down. Not good. Not good. Yeah, came down, like losing almost like $1,000. And I have added a little bit more because it's still on the bullish thing. I've added $400 call options on Tesla. $400 call option on Tesla, guys. $400 call option on Tesla. 400 position, I meant to say, sorry. not $400. Sorry, guys, because I have to add them because that's how I manage my risk too. Otherwise, you will going to lose if you do not add them because those options are losing value every single time. Okay. So yes, I kept myself very much calm. I hope you guys understand that part. I'm already up $1,000 right now, and I can sell it right now. I'm still want to see that little bit move up. Sold, guys, sold. $1,600 up, less than 10 minutes. That's what I can say. Less than 10 minutes, I'm up $1,600. Let's check how many options. Probably $400 options. 800 options were like traded in and out, okay, 800. This is how I trade my things, and this is how I make my money. So 800 multiplied by 30 cents. Let's just check what was the commission. So $240 was my commission right over there. So I made more than $1,000, which is very, very good, guys. No doubt about it. So please, again, trading is risky. Consult your financial advisor or a broker, whoever you take advice from. You know, this is how you need to do it. If you don't understand, please feel free to email me. Okay, swisscapitalgain@gmail.com. swisscapitalgain@gmail.com. There are a lot of people on the YouTube platform who doesn't show you how to think, how to watch, how to keep yourself calm. All those things matter in trading, guys. You know, like if you cannot handle the loss, you should never trade. If you don't have the money to lose, you should never trade, because there will be a day you will going to have a down day, and there will be a day you will going to make up lots of money. You know, that's what it is, guys. That is what exactly it is. So I don't want to keep this, I don't want to drag this video along, but I'm going to add up with the this, guys, what do you call it, I'm gonna make a technical analysis video, guys. Just to let you guys know, I'm gonna make a technical analysis video for you guys to understand where the market is heading in upcoming days. Basically, there are some good charts which I want you to look into it, which will going to help you guys how to spot those things where the market is heading to. You know, like those things will going to help you, no doubt. Okay, all right, guys, thank you. I'm going to turn this video off and I'm going to start with a technical analysis video, if you don't guys mind. Okay, let's see you guys on the other side on the technical analysis.